Karim, these steel pipes just arrived for the new bike frames. Good. Let's check the specs and surface quality. Karim, initiate the clamp. Clamping now. Sparks are flying. Precision cut. Karim, begin well. Use the blueprint for alignment. Initiating. Sparks are good. Good. Now rotate for the next joint. Rotating now. Karim, check this vertical. It's 0.3 mm off. Copy that. Tightening the clamp. Good. Rechecking now. Watch the pad speed, Karim. Steady at 1500 RPM. Good. Surface is smooth. This red and blue mix is perfect. Frames loaded. Belts moving. Coating parameters optimal. Uniform coverage on all frames. Temperature holding steady at 180. These frames are coming out perfectly smooth. Good. Increasing to 185. Karim, this one's ready for air. On it. Setting to 32. Good. Next one. Seal tight. Watch the alignment on this cut. Good finish. Keep it steady. Understood. This one is ready. Joints are secure. Starting the auto link. Alright, hold it steady there. Okay, tightening the caliper now. Good, now the cable tension. Grips on. Your side aligned? Almost. Just a nudge left. Got it. Looks good. Perfect. Next one. Height set. Check the bolts. On it. Torquing now. Good torque. Next one. Ready for the spin, Karim? Spinning now. Watch the balance. Applying brakes. Deceleration smooth. Balance is good. Looks stable. Check the motion now. Handling smoothly. Good. No wobbles. Final polish for a perfect shine. Carefully placing the logo now. Perfect. That gives it a professional finish.